Want to clear your entire call history on an Android phone? In this updated 2026 guide, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way how to delete all call logs from your device in just a few taps. This method works on most Android phones including Samsung. Open the phone or caller app. This is the app you normally use to make and receive phone calls. Once the app opens, look at the bottom menu bar and tap on the Recents or Call History tab. Here you will see a complete list of incoming, outgoing and missed calls saved on your phone. Now, to remove all call history at once, press and hold any call entry from the list. After doing that, a selection menu will appear on the screen. Tap on the Select All option to highlight every call record automatically. Once all call logs are selected, tap the Delete or Trash Bin icon at the top of the screen. A confirmation message may appear asking if you want to permanently delete all call history. Simply tap Delete or Confirm again, and your Android phone will instantly erase all call logs from the device. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up your phone, protect your privacy, and organize your call records in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.